Did you know that NASA discovered something really amazing? That the rebounder is 68% more effective than running? Yes, come on and join me today on the rebounder. Let's go. Let's start with a basic bounce. We have 9 steps today. All right? We want good form, engage the core, relax the shoulders, soft knees, bend them slightly. Basic bounce. We want to get some of those endorphins going. We want to boost some energy. You deserve it today. Let's feel good. These are 9 of my favorite moves. Let's reduce some stress. Get that lymphatic system going. Get the toxins out, the bacteria, disease. Get them out, get them out. All right, basic bounce. You can start with about a minute, and then if you do a minute of each of these, then you're going to have your 10 minutes in. Let's go to scissors. Left and right. Pop the legs up. Isn't that pretty amazing that NASA discovered that? Now, I'm not saying if you like to run and you like to jog, to quit doing it. No, just purchase a rebounder. It's going to be helpful to you in the long run. Scissors. You can do doubles if you want. Or singles. Or you can do single, single, double. Singles. That's number 2. My next favorite, of course, how many of you have been following me for a while, is the twist, number 3. I like this one a lot. Works the waist, works the obliques. I have to keep reminding myself to pull the belly button up and in. Do you know that rebounding helps with sleep? I have a video on that. If you'd like to do that workout before you go to bed, give it a try. Push down now. This is easy on your joints, no stress. Good, all right. Take a little break. Now you can wear shoes if you want. I just like being barefooted. I like to feel the mat. I think it strengthens my feet. All right, let's move that off of there. Okay. All right, next one. Another one of my favorites is going to be the high knees. All right, so we're going to bring the knees up like this, left and right. And then we're going to go off the mat in just a minute. Ready? Let's go. If you want, lift them up. High knees. Get them up. Okay. How you doing? When you're ready, go to number 5, which is going to be your jog. Bring it down a little bit. Let's go. Jog and sprint. Move your arms. Let's go. Getting a little cardio in, burning some calories. Slow it down. Let's go to number 6, the heel toe. Looks like this. Heel in the front, toe in the back. Switch legs. Trying to catch my breath. Almost done. Good. Number 7, variation of jacks. Half jack. To a cross jack. Crisscross. Squeeze the inner thigh. As you're doing that, go back to half jack, and if you want, you can do a full jumping jacks, not high off the mat, pressing down on the mat like this. Pop the legs up though. Good. All right, shake it side to side. Another one of my favorites are the kicks, because it really works the lower abdominal muscles. So you're going to kick forward like this, but I'm going to step it up a notch. You can just stay like this if you want, or you can do it with me. I'll get ready to go in a minute. Here we go. This one takes some practice. This one is working all 638 muscles in my body. How about that? You like it? All right. Okay, pants falling down. Next, actually this is the last one. Get ready, this is the jump over, side to side. I need to get on here because I made chocolate chip cookies and I need to lose some weight, y'all. And no amount of rebounding is going to help a bad diet, okay? We need proper diet to lose weight. I like the Mediterranean diet. Whatever is good for you. Maybe you have a nutritionist that you're working with. Let's go. Jump over. So much fun. I always get to the end and then I never want to stop. My metabolism is going. I'm boosting those endorphins. Oh, okay. A little more. Swing those arms. You can do doubles. Or singles. That's just 9. I have like 30 moves. I think the most I've done in my videos is maybe 20. Maybe next one I'll show you all 30 of the moves. All right, let's just slow it down, rock side to side. And now let's just breathe in. And blow it out. Step off very carefully. And thank you so much for joining me today. You know what to do, right? Hit the like button. And why haven't you subscribed? Hit the subscribe button. Comment below if there's anything that you want to work on or want to learn so I can help you with the next video. See you next time. Bye.